Hello everyone, I'm Padmaja from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, we are going to see is your mobile phone is in a safe mode or it has been hacked by the someone. So be with me till the end of this video. Now go to the phone and type star hash 21 hash and just make a call. After that, you will find a pop-up message displayed on your screen. Here, from that message, you get to know is your been phone hacked or is your call been forwarded to the someone. So try for this one star hash 62 hash. It will also show in a same manner as previous. Now let's see another method. Go to the phone setting. In setting, you will find an apps option. In apps, go through every apps and see that if there is any unwanted app has been installed in your phone, and if you find such kind of app, just uninstall it. In top right corner you will see three dot. In that, go to the app permission. In app permission you will find additional app permission. You find any such kind of permission has been granted which you have been never permitted, just delete it or ungrant that permission. Go back. There you will find a special access option. In special access you will find a device administrator. See that apart from the permission which you have given, is there any other administrator is been seen? Just untick or just remove it. Now go back. There you will find a Google setting. In Google settings you have an option of settings for an app. Whichever app you download or whichever app you have been using, and if your Google account is synced with your phone, then it shows all the apps that you are using. Is it safe or is it not? And there, if you find any such kind of app which you are not using or which you have not installed, make sure you just uninstall that app at that moment. Now let us see another method. Go to the Play Store. In Play Store you will find Play Protect option. This will help you to scan your device and apps, and if there is any harmful app been present in your device, it will show up a pop-up message over your screen. Now here are few signs that will show that your phone has been hacked by someone or not. First one is sudden battery drain. If you have been charged and if you have been not using your phone and still the battery is draining, that means someone is been using your phone. Opening application without operating. If you're not operating and still the application has been opening, that means there is a something who is operating your phone. Consumption of your net. If your daily usage is 3 MB or 4 MB and suddenly you find it out and there has been used of 1 GB, then that means there is someone who has been using your data and your mobile has been hacked. If you want more details, please check out our Gossipfunda blog. The links are in the description box. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in a comment box. If you like this video and feel it is useful, then press a like button and don't forget to share and subscribe the channel.